Hi, this is Michael Natal from High Tech Trader. This is the Lindberg Blue M furnace, box furnace, model 51314. This particular unit is a 1700 degrees C. It's 350 watts. You'll see the amp controller, strong amps. There's your temperature set point. You'll start to see the glow of the furnace. And what we'll try to do is we'll try to see the rods light up here. Try to play with the... There we go. You can see the balance of the rods getting red hot. So all three rods work. 6 rods, excuse me. Plus there's two thermocouples inside. The unit is used. It does have some character marks on the outside. However, fully functional. K-type thermocouples in the back. If you have any further questions, please call 609-518-9100. Once again, Michael Natal from High Tech Trader.